Ever wondered who is truly accountable when a cloud service falters, leaving your critical applications in limbo? It is a complex question with significant implications for your operations and budget, demanding a clear understanding of the shared responsibilities in the cloud. Customers are primarily responsible for cloud service level agreement breaches when the underlying cause stems from their own actions, configurations, or failure to adhere to the provider's operational guidelines. While providers guarantee certain uptime and performance levels, their commitments are often contingent on the customer meeting their side of the shared responsibility model. This means that customer errors, misconfigurations, or inadequate resource provisioning can nullify a provider's service credit obligations, effectively placing the burden of the breach on the customer. The core mechanism behind this responsibility allocation lies in the shared responsibility model itself. Cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform operate on the principle that they are responsible for the security ** of * the cloud, meaning the physical infrastructure, network, and foundational services. Customers, however, are responsible for security * in the cloud, which includes their data, applications, operating systems, network configurations, and identity management. An SLA breach often results from a failure in one of these customer-managed domains. For example, if an application goes down due to misconfigured firewall rules or insufficient database capacity allocated by the customer, the provider's SLA does not apply. To avoid being held responsible, customers should meticulously configure their cloud resources, ensuring proper sizing, redundancy, and network security. Regularly audit your identity and access management policies to prevent unauthorized access that could lead to service disruption. Implement robust monitoring and alerting systems that notify you of performance degradation before it escalates into a full-blown outage. Furthermore, always consult your provider's documentation for service limits and best practices, as exceeding these limits or deviating from recommended architectures can directly void SLA coverage. A key concept here is exclusions, which are explicitly detailed sections within a cloud SLA. These exclusions list specific scenarios where the provider is not liable for performance issues or downtime. Common exclusions include customer-initiated suspension of services, issues arising from third-party software not managed by the cloud provider, or events caused by customer equipment or connectivity. Understanding these exclusions is paramount, as they define the boundaries of the provider's liability and, by extension, the scope of the customer's responsibility. It is also important to differentiate between an SLA and an SLO, or service level objective, which is an internal target rather than a contractual guarantee. By understanding the shared responsibility model and diligently managing their cloud environments, customers can significantly reduce their exposure to SLA breaches caused by their own actions. Proactive management of configurations, strict adherence to best practices, and a thorough knowledge of SLA exclusions empower customers to maintain high availability and performance for their cloud applications, maximizing the reliability benefits offered by their cloud providers.